Mrs. Aishwarya, you are coming to Bank of Baroda, scale 2. Is it a credit analyst post or what is the post for which you have applied?
Yes, sir. It's a credit analyst post only, sir.
Good. Did you go through the job role they have given in their advertisement?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the job role, please? Tell me briefly. I am not going through that now. Tell me briefly what is the job role that they have
Yes.
given there.
Uh, Yes, sir. I have to validate the documents given by the branches or the sourcing team. I have to underwrite the proposal and take decision on whether to sanction or reject the proposal. Based on that, I have to give my recommendation
Hmm.
on giving incorporating the relevant points to that. After that,
Hmm.
if necessary, I have to visit the unit and record the conversation made with the client.
Hmm.
I have to get the loan sanctioned or rejected. I have to take a decision and communicate to the branches and the client.
Hmm.
And being a credit analyst, I have to ensure that the sanction is as per the policy of the bank, loan credit policy of the bank. It
Hmm.
adhered to all the
Hmm.
compliance adhered with the policy. I have
Hmm.
to make a pricing that is a major role of me. According
Hmm.
to the credit score of the client, I have to make a pricing to that case.
Hmm.
After I am responsible for collecting the renewal papers and following up with the compliance and
Hmm.
also for managing the management audit, internal audit.
Hmm.
I am responsible for rating the proposals and
Hmm.
also I have to ensure that all the proposal which I am sanctioned are opened by the client. Or if it is not opened, I have to make a conversation with them and reason for not opening them. I have to try to rectify that and make it opened. So
Opened availed சொல்லுமா.
make it availed by the customer.
Very good. Excellent. So
Also, I missed out
yeah,
one point.
you told about the job description. Can
I
you
have
tell
to
about can you tell
it
about can you tell
that.
about 1 minute? Can you tell me about your credit knowledge? In what way you have acquired knowledge relating to credit? In which bank are you working? How you have been able to enrich your knowledge? Please justify your suitability for this post.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm having 11 years of experience in banking, and in which I have 6 years of experience in credit, especially in credit underwriting or the what are the roles that has been described in the BOB advertisement. Also, relevant to the credit, I have also completed so many certificate courses. I have done a professional banker on credit, which includes CAB certified credit professional, all those courses. In addition to that, I'm having a experience of combined experience of both branch and credit, so that I know the sourcing how what all the documents can be sourced, the expectation of the client. And being a credit analyst, I also know the entire credit process as mentioned in the BOB advertisement. So
Now
based on that,
I have a
yes,
question. In fact, while discussing, we had a doubt. I
sir.
was discussing with scale 3 people, and the question was like this. It has been asked in one interview
Yes, sir.
that the current asset of a party is 50 lakhs or
Yes, sir.
50 crores, and the current liability is 100 lakhs or 100 crores.
Okay, sir.
Now, will you take up proposals for working capital for this unit, or
Yes,
you
sir.
take, or you go by lakhs only, 50 lakhs, 100 lakhs?
Yes, sir. In this case, we have to analyze the reason behind the negative networking capital. If it is a temporary mismatch, if we can support and bring back the business, we can very well support by giving a working capital term loan, sir.
Hmm. Okay.
Um,
Hmm. No,
Other
no.
factors. Okay,
No, no.
satisfaction.
Actually, in fact, we have discussed this many times. Now, in fact, you yourself has discussed with me about this, that is working capital.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you tell me how will you decide about the working capital for this unit? How much working capital will you give? 50 lakhs, 100 lakhs. So now what are you going to do? Will you consider their proposal? Yes or no? If
Yes, sir.
yes, then how much will you give as term loan? How much you can give as working capital?
Yes, sir. Uh, First, I have to go through all other relevant factors like CIBIL account operation and past track of the client, whether if it found to be satisfactory and managerial competitions and localical advantages, promoters margin. If only the concern is being not able to meet out the current liability, they're having adequate capital, uh, they're able to meet out the long term liability, we can go for net
Hmm.
capital working capital term loan, based on the projections given by the client, and based on the past track we have to make a projections, whether it is acceptable or to how much extent we can accept it. And when the repayment, based on the repayment capacity, we can extend the loan to them, sir.
Now it is okay, but you think over this question and find
Yes, sir.
out what
Yes.
improved answer we can give. For
Yes.
example, if we find out that he has transferred certain working capital funds into the long-term assets, that much
Yes, sir.
amount we can grant as term loan. So that maybe 30 lakhs we can grant him as term loan. The balance
Yes.
will be only 20 lakhs. From and
Yes.
out of that, now how much will you give? Term loan, you are giving 30 lakhs. We are
Yes.
satisfied he has utilized 30 lakhs of working capital into long term assets. Now, balance 20 is the black. So, how much can we consider? What methods will you take into account?
Yes, sir. Sir, are you asking that out of 50 lakhs, 30 lakhs is in the form of fixed asset and 20 lakhs is not found anywhere?
No, 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 not that way.
Yes, sir.
Current asset is 50 lakhs,
Yes, sir.
liability is 100 lakhs.
Yes, sir.
Now we are convinced that he has transferred 30 lakhs from current asset to the long term
Yes,
asset. So we are reimbursing him, or we are giving him a loan for 30 lakhs, term loan.
yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
now after that term loan is given, now his current asset will be 80 lakhs.
Yes, sir.
His current asset in his books, he will have 80 lakhs. There will
80
be a
lakhs.
gap of 20 lakhs only.
Yes, sir.
Now, what are the factors you will take into account? How much you will give working capital?
Yes, sir.
Now, I think why are you struggling like this? You have to go for the turnover method or MPBF method or cash budgeting method, and based on that, you have to give. Na?
Yes,
It
sir.
is
I understood, sir. I understood.
no,
I was
it is
thinking something.
it
How
is given. It is. I
in,
suggest you go and search like this in Google.
yes, sir.
Calculation of working capital for customers
Yes, sir.
in bank methods. What are turnover
Yes, sir.
method?
I
Yeah,
knew it, sir.
you know it. Now, please tell me which one will you choose?
Sir, when the overall exposure is within a 5 crore, we can go for a turnover method as recommended by the Nayak committee.
Okay, supposing the turnover is let us say 6 crores.
Yes, sir. When the total exposure is going beyond the 5 crores, we can go for either maybe be of 1 or 2.
Acha, the exposure, let us say the turnover is 4 crores.
No, sir, it's not based on a turnover. It's based on the exposure we choose the method, sir.
Acha, acha. It is based on the limit that we are going to give.
Overall exposure of the client.
If the turnover is going to be 4 crores, the projected turnover will be 25% of the projected turnover. And
Yes, sir.
out of that, borrower has to give 5%.
Percent?
Balance 20% we can give. So
Yes, sir.
25% of the projected turnover, let us take it as 1 crore,
Yes, sir.
and borrower contributing requirement projected turnover is 1 crore. Of that, he has to give 5%, 5 crore, sorry, 5
Yes, sir.
lakhs, and
5 lakh.
balance networking capital by providing a minimum of um,
20.
20%. 20% of that 1 crore, that
Yes,
means
sir. 20 lakh.
75, 20 lakhs, na?
Lakh. Yes, sir.
So whatever it is, that has to be given by us. You please be ready for answering such questions
Yes,
nicely.
sir. Yes, sir.
Now,
Sure.
yeah. Now let me ask easy questions for you.
Yes,
These
sir.
are the questions they will ask at your stage. They will not ask tough ones. Now, please
Okay.
tell me, what is a micro enterprise?
Yes, sir. Micro enterprise is the one where in which the plant and machinery is up to 2.5 crores and the turnover is up to 10 crores.
Good. Now, can you tell me what are current assets, what are current liabilities of a company?
Yes, sir. In case of current assets, inventory, debtors, cash in hand, bank balance, prepaid
Hmm.
expenses, all
Super.
those
Good. Very
current
good.
assets. In
Current
is the working
liabilities?
sundry creditors
Ah,
and bank borrowing, sundry creditors
hmm.
classified as current liabilities, sir.
Good.
Advance paid to suppliers.
Hmm. Prepaid. Very good. Now,
Yes,
can
sir.
you, so no, no, current liabilities means advances received for supplies.
Yes, sir.
Sundry,
Received.
yeah, or sundry creditors, whatever
Yes,
it
sir.
is. Then what is intangible assets?
Yes, sir. Intangible asset is asset which cannot be touched and felt. It's in there is one definition is there. So. The examples of intangible assets are license, trademark, patents,
Hmm.
and
Goodwill.
copyrights,
Goodwill.
goodwill, all those. Sir.
Yeah. If the debtor is not paying debt in 12 months, what it means?
It's a non-current liability, sir.
No, no, no. If the debtor is
Yes,
not
sir.
paying debt in 12 months, what it
It should
means?
be
Acha, acha. Now, liability or asset?
no, sir.
Hello?
If that yes, sir.
The
If
debtor is
if,
not paying. See,
yes, sir. Yes,
we have supplied goods. He has not been paying for 12 months.
to be
Then what?
that to the liability side, sir.
டெட்டார்னாக்க நமக்கு வர வேண்டிய பணம் வரல அப்படின்னா இட் பிகம்ஸ் an என்பிஏ.
Sir.
ஆர் மேக்சிமம் நீ டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்றதுனாக்க சொன்னாக்க இட் வில் பிகம் அ லாங் டேர்ம் அசெட் கூட கொண்டு போக முடியாது. கொண்டு போவோமா? நான் இல்ல. இட்
Current asset.
கண்டினியூ இட் கண்டினியூஸ் இன் கரண்ட் அசெட்ஸ் ஒன்லி, பட் மார்க்ட் as a bad debt or as
Okay.
an NPA from the angle of the customer. I
Okay,
am
sir.
not
Okay.
talking from the angle of banker. Yeah, why did you say liability? What was the confusion? Now you are clear about it.
Yes, sir. I'm clear, sir.
Now, can you tell me about GST? What are the 4 GST forms that are there?
Yes, sir. I'm not able to recollect. GST is the goods and service tax is uh, charged to
Hmm,
goods and services supplied or supplied within India.
hmm,
There is a GST charged by state government and central government, so CGST and IGST.
hmm. அதை தவிர
இது
கூட இன்னும் அதை தவிர கூட இன்னும் ஏதோ இருக்குமா?
Yes, sir. GST is GST tax is fixed based on the
Hmm.
types of goods or services.
Hmm. Hmm.
GST is a major revenue
Hmm.
for government, sir.
Correct.
For
இத கொஞ்சம் படிச்சுக்கோங்கம்மா. இத கொஞ்சம்
yes,
படிச்சுக்கோங்க.
yes, sir.
Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
what is inflation and what is current inflation?
Inflation is increase in the price of goods and services, sir. Over the period of time. Inflation is
Yeah.
I
What is the current inflation?
have to go through that, sir.
Current inflation is 2.82% in May. In the month of May, it is
Yes.
only 2.82%.
Okay, sir.
Last question.
Yes, sir.
What is preliminary expenses and it will come under which side of balance sheet? Debtors will come and which side of balance sheet?
Yes, sir.
Simple question.
Sir, preliminary expenses before commencement of any company or the expenses that are incurred before commencing a business, sir.
Correct. Where it will appear in balance sheet?
Current liabilities, sir.
Wrong. It's an expense incurred already. Na? It will come under intangible assets.
Okay, sir.
Understand? Please
Oh, yes.
study it. Yeah,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
very good. Best wishes. You are a sure shot. You will be selected. Only thing is, you please go through the Bank of Baroda's financial figures. Are you aware of them? Can I ask you, or you have to read it?
I'm yet to prepare, sir. I'm yet to prepare that.
Please prepare. I have given you. Na, you are having it. Even otherwise, you can see it from the website.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Best wishes. You have done very well. And
Yes, sir.
only thing is, whatever God has destined for you shall happen. I wish
Yes.
you success.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much. I am of the view